It's your boy, Rusty Russ, back with that Blood in the Streets video. Alright, let's do this. What up, guys? Back with the Blood in the Streets video. It's gonna be a little bit more structured this time. I'm just gonna show you a bunch of stock charts, although you can just look at them blood. Wow. I wanted to show you some of the trades and show you some of the work that we've been doing this week. Last week, I determined that, I didn't really want to be bullish during big tech earnings. I thought it was better just to wait until Wednesday or Thursday and then go bearish. I went bearish a little early, like I said I was going to, and I did pay the price for it. I mean, I was still green this week, but I was a little zealous. But I definitely wanted to bring up these trades that I called out, these call credit spreads, right here. This one, I think this one is fine. I think the market's going to bleed hard, and we're going to see that we're going to make some money there. This one was starting to be green. This one's starting to be green. This one right here, those strikes are aggressive, guys. When I call out aggressive ass strikes, 430, because I keep telling you guys, 21 days DTE is what you really should do. Like, really, you should do 21 days DTE. When I call out the weekly ones, it's because some of the more experienced traders, they want to know, because I've been making money faster than most people, and sometimes it's because I use aggressive strikes. Aggressive expirations, sorry. When I'm calling out aggressive ass expirations, and you think they're too aggressive, you can put 21 days instead of 20% closing order. That's actually what I recommend you do if you're using these callouts. And I'm gonna start marking some of these callouts. But additionally, last week I told you, if you this is hard mode. Okay, if you're an inexperienced trader, if you're at work, you're just getting these alerts and just trying to enter negative positions, this is not the week for you. If you can't be managing risk actively, if you don't know fundamental analysis and the current economic environment and technical analysis at a high level, this is not the week for you, unfortunately. Is there money to be made? There is. I mean, I made money this week. I was green on the week. But anyways, just to let you guys know, this is hard mode. When I keep saying we're in hard mode, I mean, if you're an inexperienced trader, this is not the week for you. Stay cash gang in your options account, okay? That's what I mean. So we got TQQQ here at 107, 108. Even still, this one, it dipped below 107 Friday morning. So if you had a 20% closing order, you should have made money on that. I did not. I closed mine for a $900 loss. This one I rolled. In hindsight, this was a dumb move. AMD, let's talk about AMD really quick, guys. So we got AMD, Shopify, Apple, Amazon. Okay, remember that. AMD, Shopify, guys. This call credit spread right here expired for a max gain. So did AMD. So those were pretty good. You guys should have made money on that for sure. But let's look at AMD for a second. AMD, we called it out here. Somewhere in this area. We called it out. Had earnings, shocked everyone. Like we were in the chat talking about it. Oh my god, what happened? This 89.90 situation. Oof, and then it bled all the way back down, and we're like, oh my god, we got a prayer. Throwing up a prayer. And then it kept bleeding. I knew it. I knew the fundamentals were just gonna move in our favor, right, guys? Because we're talking about the GDP miss, inflation's coming in at higher numbers. I mean, if you just look at compound number, that's all you really need to see. J Powell can talk about it's transitory. It's not. We're going to see. We're already seeing the 10-year telling us that. We don't believe you, J Powell. You're a liar. What a liar. And he is, guys. Don't believe him. He's full of shit. You got to wade through the bullshit. Don't just believe everything you hear on the streets. You know what I mean? But, I did all that work, guys, right? I did all that fucking work for you guys. I'm trying, because, guys, think about it. If we're always just fucking bullish, is all hell, right? We're just seeing things dip, and we're just like, it's never going to correct. We don't give a fuck. And I just keep calling out put credit spreads every week. Eventually, the market is going to correct, and you're going to lose half of your account. You know what I mean? So I'm not okay with that. I'm trying to make it so okay, we got to pivot at some point. And I think last week and this week are good weeks to start pivoting by either doing call credit spreads or being cash gang until we can start doing put credit spreads again. Okay? but definitely manage your position size at all time and set closing orders. This is not the market not to set closing orders. You need to have a closing order on every single one of your positions. This is not the market to just YOLO the shit out of it. You know what I mean? Even if you're to the downside. Look, it went right back up. If you didn't have a closing order, you could have lost money. You know what I mean? Like, this is not the market. You should definitely put closing orders on every single one of your trades. So make sure you do that, guys. Having a closing order is crazy. This is not easy mode. This is not flipping a bullish trade for 50% on Monday and then having your expirations Friday and then flipping another one for 50% and then another two right before Friday, like 4 days in a row on Apple on the same damn trade, basically just moving up strikes. Like that did happen. You know, that if Apple's like $119 a share, like fine. And we know that things are getting bullish, like confirmed. Like you could do that. But let's wait until that week. Okay? That week is not this week. Okay? That week's probably not gonna be until like August. Or even September, probably. Like maybe even like October. I don't know. That week, I don't see that week coming here anytime. Okay? We take advantage when the week comes, and then we go back to tightening it up. We gotta tighten it up, guys. But here, let's take a look at the 5-day, 5-minute, right? So I did all that work. I looked into some things. You know, inflation fears are real. You know, I wanted you guys to hold on to your money. And I was like, for sure. I start calling out bearish positions, right? And what does the market do? It goes right back up. You know, goes back down. I'm like, okay, we're going to be safe. We're going to be fine. Our bearish positions are going to be fine. Amazon did very, very well. Guys, this number right here, this 14,064 number right before market open, I almost lost all hope. I was really there. I was thinking to myself, you know what, Russell? This damn trading Discord you got, trying to help people get more money, try to help them be a little bit more financially independent with themselves. Maybe they have jobs. Maybe they love them. Maybe they don't. Maybe their boss is a jerk. Every single day, maybe they go home every day afraid that they said something wrong and they're going to be fired literally the next day. I don't know, maybe that's not the case. Maybe they're really successful in their careers, I don't know. But, you know, maybe everything that I've taught them and that I've tried to do for this community has been all bullshit. I'm a fucking fraud. That's what I thought. That's what 14064 does to you guys. That's what it does to you. And then, here we go, let's go. I'm the fucking Wolf of Wall Street. Called that shit. Told you, transitory my ass, J-Pal. Okay? Like, I knew it, guys. Gotta stick to your guns sometimes. Okay? Because technicals are okay. And Quistdrop has definitely got them bomb-ass technical analysis charts. Okay? But let's lead with fundamentals. Okay? Because fundamentals is how we get paid. Also technicals. We want good entries. But I think we're going to continue to see this bleed. Okay, guys? And let's break down a couple more trades. So Shopify 1270, 1275 expiring Friday. Again, if you see some expiring Friday shit, like you could just extend the expiration. Like 2021. I think it was it 2175? We got that when it was 2175. Yeah, I think we got that on this day. On the day after earnings. Because I saw it in the morning, it was Shopify and Spotify, and I was like, well, Spotify's already dead, and like I was bearish overall, so I was looking for a stock that was all the way bullish, so I was like, well, that was, maybe we went too high, so I was like, well, Shopify, and then I saw this MACD cross, and then it started going down, I was like, okay, fine, 70, 75 here, boom. And then as the market continues to get bearish, because I believe that the market is bearish right now, like, there's too much negative to go on with it. Yeah, boom. It made a hard downward move, guys. Then we're gonna make money on something like this. Is what I was thinking. And we did. Made a lot of money on Shopify. I did not screenshot it though. An 8% downward move. Oof. That was a good ass move, guys. And that's what happened on Shopify. Alright, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out, like, so we can reach more people. That's right, copy me. But definitely like so we can reach more people. And hit me up. Say what's up. Join the Discord. 7-day free trial, guys. You know, let's take control of our lives. You know, because on some people, like, you're on a grind, and the grind is on some stupid shit sometimes. We gotta keep grinding. Gotta keep on, guys. We're gonna get this money. Alright, guys. That'll be it for me. Deuce.